Hi friends, make chicken soup with me using secret spices. I'll be using onion, tomato, long pointed pepper, red bell pepper, ginger. This is a go-to spice, fresh one, and rosemary. Wow, it gives it some nice smell, taste. Is medicinal, is herbal, is everything. And now I've washed my mixture, my bell pepper, onions, scotch bonnet pepper, and blend it smoothly. I'm putting my oil in the pot now. I like to fry a little. Put your seasoning, which is your curry and thyme. Let it fry a little. Pour your blended pepper and some what's it called, mixed stock in the pot. Cover your pot and allow to boil. I'm still going to be adding a little bit of Maggi and just to give it some more flavor and taste. And now that the soup has boiled very well, opening the pot and adding my chicken. Again, you need to watch my meal prep videos where I already boil and grill my meat a day or even some days ahead before doing the cooking, just to make cooking quicker for me. And now I have the secret spice, which is my rosemary. And that's my soup ready to eat. That's what it looks like.